Hello, this is CP Edit, and in this video we'll be solving this problem pancake sorting from August LeetCoding challenge. So in this video we are given an array and we have to apply n operations where n can be up till 10 times the length of array, and each operation can be choose an integer k and reverse first k elements of that array. So this is the given array. For example, 3241, we have to sort this array, and what he has done in this example is reversed 4 elements, then after that he reversed 2 elements, then after that he reversed whole array again, and then reversed first 3 elements. So let's try to see this example. So the array is 3241, so let's write it here: 3 2 4 and 1, and his answer was 4243. So output was 4243. So let's see what happens if we reverse all the elements at the first step. So the array will become 1, 4, 2 and 3. After that he is reversing first two elements. So the array will become 4, 1, 2 and 3. After that he is reversing all the elements again. So the array will become 3, 2, 1 and 4, right? After that he is reversing first three elements. So array will become 1, 2, 3 and 4, and as expected the result is finally sorted. So we have to find this array so that we apply these operations and the result becomes sorted. And the thing to note is we can take as many operations as we want, unless the operations are not larger than 10 times the length of the array. So one thing we can note in this problem is if we select the largest element and somehow take it to the last position, we'll be left with a subproblem for sorting the first n minus 1 elements. So how we can take the largest element at n? We can first take it to the first position, and then after taking it to the first position we can take it at the end. For taking it to the first position, we'll find the position of the maximum element, then reverse that prefix. So this element will reach at the first position, and after that if we reverse the whole array, this element will be placed at its correct position. So after taking this element to the first position, we can take this element to its correct position by reversing till that position, till its correct position. Okay, so let's try to create our answer. So I'm writing it here. So what we are trying to achieve is we have to take the largest element to the end in first step. So to take that, we'll reverse the first three elements. So it will become 4, 2, 3 and then 1, and we have taken k as 3. After that we have to take this element at the end. So the array will become 1, 3, 2 and 4. So in this, until this step, the last element is at its correct position. Now we have to sort this remaining array, this array. To do that, we can place 3 at the first position and then take it to the last position. So how we can do that? So we'll be reversing 3, 1 and 2 and 4 remains as it is, and after that we'll be taking 3 at the end. So it will become 2, 1, 3 and 4. And in this step we have first reversed first two elements, and then we have reversed first three elements, and in this we also reversed first four elements. Okay, so after that we have to place 2 here. 2 at this place. So to do that, what we can do is find the position of 2 at the first position. So we'll be reversing it till this point. So the array will remain as it is, 2, 1, 3, 4, and k used will be 1. And after that we have to take 2 at its correct position. So the array will become 1, 2, 3, and 4. And since 1 is at its correct position, we need not do anything. So the answer will be 3, 4, 2, 3, 1, and then 2. So this should be the answer according to our strategy. Okay. So let's see how we can code this problem. So I've written a function which is called reverse, which takes an input as the array and the position, and it reverses this array until this position, up till this position. Okay, so what we are doing in this problem is set this position I, and this is, and find the element which should be at this position. So we find the largest element on its left, and after finding we just reverse the array till the position of the maximum element, so as to bring that element to the first position. And after that we after this point we have the maximum element on the first position, and then we have to take it to the ith position, and to do that we reverse it till ith position. One thing to note in this problem is we should be using less than 10 into a dot length operations, and in this approach for each element we are using at most 2 operations, so that would be fine. For complexity we are using for each index, then we are finding the maximum element and its position, and after finding it we are reversing. So this is n times n, and this is also n, but since this is not in the for loop it would be counted as O of n. So n times n would be n square. So our complexity in this problem is O of n square. I hope you liked this problem. See you in the next one. Thanks.